So the Tonor Q9 is one of the cheapest USB microphones you can find on Amazon. It costs about £60. And if you are recording a remote podcast and your guest doesn't have any audio equipment, you might want to send this microphone to your guest in order to improve the quality of the sound. I mean, compared to a standard Zoom call or a Teams call recorded from the laptop mic. So the best thing to do in this case is that you send a microphone, and then while you are having the conversation with your guest, he will record the sound separately from his laptop using Audacity or maybe Audition. The reason why I picked up this microphone is that it comes with the kit. It comes with the microphone arm, this one. It also comes with the pop filter and the windshield. Installing the mic kit is quite easy. So the important thing is that this side should face you, because the microphone has a cardioid pattern. And then you just connect to the USB cable. Don't bring it too high, otherwise it will cover your face. I think this distance is fine. It's about 20-30 centimeters from your face. So what we're gonna do now is that we're going to try to monitor the microphone. So in order to monitor the microphone, you just go to the settings. I'm in Windows 10 here. So you go to Sound Settings. Then you go to Sound Control Panel. And then you select Recording. And you come here. Go to Properties. And then you go to Listen to this device. Audacity is a free software. Just make sure you download it from the legit website. So now I'm going to select the microphone. Just make sure you're recording in mono. So click here to start monitoring. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to reduce this until I see no background noise. And then what I'm going to do now is that once the microphone is placed, I'm going to click plus here about 12 times. Now the noise level is about minus 54 dB. And when I speak, this is my normal level, I'm peaking at about minus 12 dB. So that's where you should be. So now we're going to do some tests. So we're going to start recording at this level. So you just press record here. So now it's recording and we see the waveform. Conditions were so hot. The basic forces of nature that collectively describe the universe were unified. Okay. And then we can stop recording. Okay, now we just need to export as WAV. Now we're going to check the sound file recorded with the Tonor. Now we're going to compare that with the NKH416 and see how it compares. We're going to do that in Audition. So this is a comparison between the two files, the file recorded with the Tonor in Audacity and the file recorded with the MKH416 with my Mix-Pre 3. So the first one is the Tonor. Conditions were so hot. The basic forces of nature that collectively describe the universe. And the second one is the MKH416. Conditions were so hot. The basic forces of nature that collectively describe the universe were unified. The two files were normalized to minus 3 dB to bring them to the same level. Now, of course, we can remove the noise. Go to Effects, Noise, Capture Noise Print. I'll reduce about 6. Let's see how it sounds after removing the noise. Conditions were so hot. The basic forces of nature that collectively describe the universe were unified. Now, of course, you can see that after removing the noise, it sounds decent. Certainly better than what you would normally record in a Zoom call using a laptop mic. Now, of course, this is a cheap microphone. It's cheaply built. It doesn't sound as good as the Sennheiser MKH416. But of course, it sounds way better, orders of magnitude better than what you would normally record in a Zoom call using a laptop mic or even the earbuds mic. So I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.